Meaning of hoick.
hoick,
Hoick.
hoick,
Hook. The word hoick is a verb that means to lift or pull up suddenly and forcefully. It is often used when describing actions such as pulling up one's trousers, lifting a heavy object quickly, or yanking something forcibly. The result of a hoick can vary depending on the context. It could be successful if someone is able to lift a heavy object using a hoick, or it could be unsuccessful if someone ends up tearing their clothing while attempting to hoick it up. In general, a hoick involves a quick and forceful upward motion.